Beautiful people, I'm Irat Fajimi. I help makeup artists and people who want to learn how to apply their makeup to improve their makeup game. If that sounds like you, please click on the subscribe button below, and if you're already a subscriber, please click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. So I'm starting with a very clean face. I'm going to use those wipes to clean our face, and then I'm going to use those Q-tips to get rid of our eye poop. I'm using Msmetics moisturizer. I'm going to use that to moisturize our face. Guys, please keep it in mind, that's the first step when you're starting makeup. Always moisturize your face. Do not skip that step. Next, we'll be using my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer to prime our face. That will ensure our face stay matte all day. And now I'm going to use Kiss Beauty setting spray to lock in all the product I've used. Using LA Girl concealer to conceal our eyebrows. I'm using creamy beige for under our brows, and then for the upper part I'm going to use LA Girl concealer in beautiful bronze. And my angle brush is from beige Cosmetics. When you are doing your eyebrow, please, I always make sure I'm being patient. Patience is the key. If you are too fast, you might not be able to get a very clean and crisp eyebrow, like that kind of eyebrow that will look sharp and very, very fine. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush to blend the concealer. I'm going to repeat that on the other eye. Now I'm going to use powder on the concealer. I'm going to use a darker powder in the inner corner of the eye because I don't want that place to be too light. I'm going to use House of Tara eyeshadow primer for the eyeshadow base. This will make my eyeshadow come out very vibrant. So I'm going to be doing a smoky cat eye makeup tutorial for today. I used Maybelline Superstay foundation for her. I'm just going to go ahead and use this brush to apply it all over her face. Moving on, I'm using a beauty blender to dab it into her skin. I'm just going to apply a dark foundation shade for my contour. Sorry guys, NEPA took their light. Please bear with me. Moving on, I'm going to apply Lady V Beauty Planet powder on her face. Can wear smoky cat eye looks to weddings, birthday parties, dinner dates. I'm going to be contouring her cheekbones to help it appear more defined. For the reverse contour, I'm going to use a wedge to pick up setting powder and then apply it, just to make my contour more prominent. Now I'm picking a powder brush to dust off the excess. Now it's time for the blush. I absolutely enjoy this process. So I'm also going to be using my setting spray here. This will help keep my makeup in place for hours and also help the powder on my face to give a skin-like finish. So I'm just going to be applying minimal highlighter. Lastly, I'm going to use classic lip stain in Duke to line our lips. I'm going for an ombre lips. For the middle of our lips, I'm going to be using a pink shade from my Imagic lip palette. When you're in doubt on what eyeshadow looks to wear, try Smoky Cat Eye looks. Oh my god, guys, can you see how gorgeous she looked? If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future tips. Bye.